With all these word problems on the SAT, we want to be very careful to read the problem all the way through. And this question is a perfect example of that. At first, it may seem like a system of equations problem, but if we read carefully, that's not exactly what they're asking us to do here. So the question is saying, what was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? So what we want to do is we want to clarify our variables. So they tell us that B is our beef price and C is our chicken price. And in that last sentence, they're telling me that B is actually equal to C because the beef price is going to be equal to the chicken price. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see that B and C right here are equal to some values, and if those are the same, then that means that these equations must actually be the same. So I'm going to actually set those two equal to each other, get 2.35 plus 0.25x, and now this is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. So I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to subtract 1.75 to the other side, as well as my negative 0.25x. That way, I can put everything where it belongs. So with this one, I'm left with 0.60, and on the other side, I'm left with 0.15x. So I'm going to go ahead and divide. I get 0.15, 0.15, and x is going to equal 4. But again, that's not what they asked. They didn't ask me how many weeks it was. They asked me what the price of beef was. So what I'm going to do is put that x equals 4 right back into that top equation for beef. So when I do that, I'm going to get B equals 2.35 plus 0.25 times my 4 that I just substituted. When I do this, I'm going to get B equals 2.35 plus 1, and that's 3.35. So my answer here will be letter choice D.